Hello. I was just getting ready to work on my little owls that I had started yesterday actually, and my Amazon order showed up at the house, so I had to stop what I was doing and open it to see the beautiful colors. Isn't that amazing? This will be my second project and my first full drill. And these are round. So many colors. They're so pretty. And these actually look like they have the DMC code on them, whereas the ones from my owls don't. So I'll have to store those separately. It came with the same kit as the first one, and the extra little baggies. So I look forward to starting this one, and I'll be sharing my progress with you as we go. Thanks for watching.